Here's a number that might surprise you. According to the AARP, seniors and older adults take hundreds of millions of trips by air every single year, making them one of the largest groups of flyers in the entire country. And yet, a staggering number of those travelers are paying for things, tolerating discomforts, and suffering through flights they didn't have to, simply because no one told them what they're actually entitled to ask for. This year, too, airlines are sitting on a quietly growing list of free services, legal rights, and unadvertised perks available to senior passengers. Some of these are protected by federal law, some are standard airline policy that never gets mentioned at booking, and some, you just have to know the magic words to say at the gate. We're talking about things like priority boarding, free mobility assistance from curb to seat, free special meals, medication refrigeration, even lounge access during long delays. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on all 15 of them. If you're a senior 60 or older, or if you're booking a flight for a parent or grandparent, stay with me, because this video could save you real money and a whole lot of frustration at 35,000 feet. Let's get into it. 1. Free wheelchair and mobility assistance. Curb to seat. Let's start with a big one that almost nobody fully claims. Under the U.S. Air Carrier Access Act, all major airlines are legally required to provide free wheelchair and mobility assistance to any passenger who needs it. And that means from the curbside entrance of the airport all the way to your aircraft seat, not just to the gate. This applies regardless of your ticket class. And here's the latest update you need to know. A landmark final rule from the U.S. Department of Transportation now requires airlines to have trained staff available for wheelchair assistance within 15 minutes of your check-in request and meet stricter standards for boarding and deplaning assistance. The era of being left stranded in a terminal wheelchair is, legally, supposed to be over. Call the airline at least 48 hours before your flight and request wheelchair assistance. When you arrive at the airport, self-identify to staff. Even if it's in your reservation, they won't know it's you unless you speak up. 2. Free priority boarding. This one is your legal right, and it costs you nothing to claim. Under federal regulations, any passenger who self-identifies at the gate as needing extra time or assistance to board must be allowed to board before all other passengers. You do not need a doctor's note. You do not need a wheelchair. You simply need to walk up to the gate agent and say, "I have a mobility concern, and I'd like to request early boarding." This means you board before the rush, you have time to settle in comfortably, and you can ask a flight attendant to help stow your carry-on before the aisle turns into a contact sport. 3. Free special meals for dietary and medical needs. On a flight with meal service, seniors can request free special meals aligned with their dietary or medical needs. We're talking low-sodium meals, diabetic-friendly options, soft or low-fiber diets, heart-healthy choices, and more. Airlines like United, Delta, American, and most international carriers offer these at no extra charge. The catch? You need to request this at least 24 to 48 hours before departure, during booking, or by calling the airline directly. Don't wait until you're on the plane. The galley won't have a custom option waiting for you. 4. Free medication refrigeration onboard. This one surprises nearly everyone. Many flight attendants are not only permitted but trained to accommodate passengers who need medications kept cold. Think insulin, certain biologics, or other temperature-sensitive drugs. You can ask the cabin crew to store your medication in the galley refrigeration unit for the duration of the flight. Airlines are also not allowed to charge you for bringing medical devices on board, including portable oxygen concentrators, CPAP machines, or cooling packs. These do not count against your carry-on baggage allowance under federal rules. Let the flight attendant know when you board, hand over the medication, and it will be returned to you before landing. 5. Free TSA CARES assistance through security. Getting through airport security is one of the most stressful parts of any journey for senior travelers, especially if you have metal implants, use a CPAP machine, carry medical oxygen, or have difficulty standing for extended periods. Here's something the TSA itself offers but almost no one uses: the TSA Cares Helpline. Call 1-8557-87-2227 at least 72 hours before your flight. A passenger support specialist will be assigned to meet you at the airport and guide you personally through the security screening process. This is completely free, designed specifically for travelers with disabilities, medical conditions, or mobility challenges. 6. Free seating accommodation for medical conditions. If you have a documented medical need, a recent hip replacement, severe arthritis, a back condition, severe edema, you can request that the airline accommodate you with a seat that has more legroom at no extra charge. This is different from paying for premium economy or extra legroom seats. You are requesting a medical accommodation, and airlines are required by federal law to make reasonable adjustments. Call the airline's accessibility desk, not the general booking line. Explain your condition and ask for a seat that meets your physical needs. You may not always get a bulkhead row. Exit rows have their own safety requirements, but a more comfortable aisle seat or greater legroom is very much on the table. 7. Free Complaint Resolution Official, CRO access. Here's a power move most senior travelers don't know they have. Every U.S. airline is legally required to have a complaint resolution official available at every airport. This person is specifically trained to handle disability and accessibility-related issues on the spot. If a gate agent denies you priority boarding, if your wheelchair is damaged, if you're refused an accommodation you're legally entitled to, you can demand to speak with the CRO immediately at no cost. The CRO has the authority to override gate agents and make binding decisions on your behalf. Many senior travelers have had their entire flight experience transformed simply by knowing to ask for this person by name. 8. Free baggage allowance for medical equipment. Under federal rules, airlines cannot count medical devices toward your standard carry-on or checked baggage allowance. This means items like CPAP machines, portable oxygen concentrators, blood pressure monitors, nebulizers, crutches, walkers, and collapsible wheelchairs all travel free, in addition to your regular bags. Your personal wheelchair also has legal priority for storage in the cargo hold over other passengers' checked luggage. And if the airline damages or loses your wheelchair, they are required to compensate you up to the full original purchase price of the device. This is not a courtesy. It is federal law. 9. Free senior airfare discounts, if you know where to ask. Many airlines and booking platforms have quietly brought back or expanded senior-specific discounts, but you won't find most of them advertised on the homepage. Southwest Airlines has historically offered reduced senior fares on select routes. Many international carriers, including Lufthansa, Air France, and British Airways, offer age-based fare categories. And AARP members are eligible for exclusive discounts through a dedicated travel portal. The key is to always call the airline directly and ask, "Do you have a senior fare or age-based discount for this route?" You will not be offered this information unprompted, but it is there. 10. Free gate check for immobility aids and strollers. This applies particularly to seniors traveling with grandchildren or those who use a lightweight folding walker or travel wheelchair. Any mobility aid, including lightweight folding walkers and travel wheelchairs, can be gate-checked for free on virtually every major U.S. airline. This means you use it right up to the aircraft door, hand it to ground crew, and it is returned to you the moment you step off the plane. You never need to check it at the main luggage counter, and you are never charged a fee. Simply tell the gate agent when you check in at the gate, "I have a mobility aid I need to gate check." 11. Free companion seating for passengers who need assistance. If you travel with a companion, caregiver, or family member who assists you during the flight, airlines are required to seat that companion adjacent to you, at no additional charge, if your disability necessitates their assistance. This means if you require a companion to administer medication, manage a medical device, or assist with mobility during the flight, the airline cannot seat them 3 rows away and charge you a fee to fix it. Make this request in writing or by phone before the flight. Put it in your reservation and follow up with the accessibility desk. 12. Free lounge access during extended delays. If your flight is significantly delayed or canceled and you have a medical condition that makes waiting in a crowded terminal difficult, ask the gate agent directly about airport lounge access as an accommodation. Several major airlines, including Delta and United, have provisions to offer lounge passes to passengers with documented medical or accessibility needs during extended irregular operations. You will almost never be offered this. You have to ask. Be polite. Be clear about your condition. The worst they can say is no, but often they say yes. 13. Free in-cabin assistance from flight attendants. Federal regulations require flight attendants to assist passengers with disabilities with certain tasks during the flight at no charge. This includes helping you move to and from the lavatory using an onboard wheelchair, which all wide-body aircraft are required to carry, retrieving items from overhead bins, and assisting with opening food packages or identifying meal items. You are fully within your rights to ask for this help. Flight attendants are trained for it. What they are not required to do: physically lift you, administer medications, or provide continuous personal care. But for the practical, in-flight help most seniors genuinely need. It is there, it is free, and you simply have to ask. 14. Free refund or rebooking for medical emergencies. If you or an immediate family member experiences a medical emergency that forces you to cancel or change your flight, most major airlines will waive change fees and issue a full refund or credit, even on non-refundable tickets. This is not a published policy on most airline websites, but it is standard practice, and it is supported by U.S. Department of Transportation guidance. You will need documentation, typically a doctor's note or hospital record. Call the airline's customer service line, ask to speak with a supervisor, and specifically use the phrase medical emergency waiver. Keep all documentation. In many cases, travel insurance will cover this as well, but the airline waiver is free. 15. Free safety briefing and assistance with safety equipment. If you have a hearing impairment, vision impairment, or any condition that makes it difficult to follow the standard in-flight safety demonstration, you can request a personal one-on-one safety briefing from a flight attendant before departure. This includes a physical walkthrough of how to locate and operate the emergency exit, life vest, and oxygen mask closest to your seat. Federal aviation regulations require airlines to provide this at your request. It takes about 2 minutes, costs nothing, and could genuinely matter in an emergency. Ask for it when you board. So there you have it. 15 things you can ask for on your next flight without paying for them. These are not favors airlines are doing you. These are rights and services that exist, are funded, are legally protected, and are sitting there waiting for you to claim them. Do note that the airlines aren't going to put these in a brochure. They're not going to announce them at the gate. It's all about staying informed and knowing that they exist and are available to use. Before your next trip, whether it's across the country or across the world, screenshot this video, write down the TSA CARES number, call your airline's accessibility desk, and travel the way you deserve to travel. Comfortably, confidently, and without paying a single extra dollar for things that are already yours. If this video saved you money or taught you something the airlines definitely hoped you'd never find out, smash that like button. Hit subscribe so you never miss another video. Bye for now.